Hello viewers, don't you just love nature? I do. Today, we're going to be going on a nature walk. See the beauty of nature. So come along. Come along! Now! I made it across the bridge.
Seriously, I better get paid extra for this. Ah,
and if you don't, what are you going to do, stupid?
How many times have I told you that I don't like it when people call me stupid?
I love it!
Ah!
Come on, Michael.
You insane little girl!
Oh my god, oh my god! Shh!
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Snake. Look. Snake skin.
Look at the snake skin. Look at it. See? Snake skin, snake skin.
Snake skin, you know, like Snickers?
Yeah!
Their skin right there.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
Man, you're a freak.
I gotta kill this, man. This thing's poisonous. Go along, you Viking warrior. Oh my god. It's a grizzly! Grizzly!
Ah!
Grizzly! Grizzly! Die, grizzly! Die!
Ah!
Oh
It's
my
grizzly!
god!
It's
Oh my god!
grizzly!
Styrofoam! Ah!
No!
There's a ball! There's a ball! Oh my god! I'm scared!
It's a ball!
Oh god! I'm gonna throw up! Oh, we gotta get out of here! I'm scared! Daddy!
Bah!
What?
You fucking don't nigga talk about this again! I hate it when you do that!
Shut up, Dad! I'll do whatever!
Yeah!
Shut up!
Ah!
Ah! I'm scared, and I'm stuck. I'm scared and stuck. Scared and stuck. There's only one way to get done with this. I gotta do it.
Don't jump, Betty!
No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. No. No stopping me, you idiot.
We can get sued!
I'm gonna do it. Ah! Oh, God. Oh, God. I've died. Well, that's the end of Betty's documentary. Oh, my God. It's that bridge. I know I've seen that somewhere. We must have traveled into Narnia. Well, that's a story for another day. But goodbye.